Hi everybody! To celebrate Singapore's 57th birthday this year, Baking Industry Training College is very happy to bake a 10 kg cake for each of the 34 nursing homes and community hospitals. The residents in these nursing homes and community hospitals are our seniors. They are our pioneers who have contributed to the development and growth of Singapore in our early years. We hope that this small gesture of ours will go some way in helping these seniors to feel that they are remembered and recognized for their contributions as our pioneers. To produce the 34 huge cakes, we have activated the services of 3 of our chef specialists, management staff, and some student volunteers. The team has given careful consideration on the types of cake that these seniors would enjoy. Each cake is estimated to take about 4 hours baking time in the oven, excluding the mixing, assembling, and decoration of the cakes. We started this project in 2020 with 24 cakes. Last year, we made 30 cakes for them. This year, it has grown to 34. We hope that these seniors will enjoy the cakes. We also hope that the cakes will bring them joy and the feeling of belonging as we celebrate our 57th birthday together as a nation.
Happy birthday, Singapore!
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 Happy birthday, Singapore!